Welcome to the ATC Diversified Electronics Snapshot series. For this edition, we're diving into our motor director motor monitoring and protection system. In this video, we're going to take a look at Dashboard 1 in Motor Director. This dashboard offers you a real-time view into the electrical health of your motor. Starting at the top left, you'll see your voltage readings across all three phases, L1 to L2, L2 to L3, and L3 to L1. These values update live, giving you immediate visibility into how your motor is being powered. You'll also see average voltage, which provides a quick snapshot of overall system performance. Another key metric here is voltage unbalance, shown as a percentage. Even small imbalances between phases can lead to overheating, reduced efficiency, and long-term motor damage, so this is a critical value to keep an eye on. If you want to dig deeper, simply click on any of these values to view up to 3 months of historical trending data. This allows you to spot patterns, identify gradual changes, and catch potential issues before they turn into failures. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find your current readings for each phase, again displayed in real time. Just like with voltage, you'll also see average current, which helps you understand overall load conditions. And finally, current unbalance shows the percentage difference between phases. Unbalanced current can be a sign of load issues, wiring problems, or motor inefficiencies, and left unchecked, it can significantly shorten motor life. Clicking into any of these values will take you to historical trends, giving you more context into how your system has been performing over time. This dashboard is all about visibility. By monitoring both voltage and current in real time, and having access to historical trends, you can quickly identify abnormalities, reduce unplanned downtime, and make more informed maintenance decisions. Motor Director helps you stay ahead of problems, so you're not just reacting to failures, you're preventing them. Learn more about Motor Director and other solutions from ATC Diversified Electronics by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at atcdiversified.com. Thanks for watching.